This is question 2. X is uniform in the range a, b, and y equals to x squared. For part A, find and draw fxx and fxx. So, fxx equals to 1 over b minus a when x is larger than a and x is smaller than b. Fxx equals to 0 when x is smaller than a or x is larger than b. Then this is the diagram I draw, and fx is equals to integral from range a to x 1 over b minus a dt. When x is smaller than a, the formula equals to 0. When a is smaller than x smaller than b, the formula equals to x minus a over b minus a. When x is larger than b, the formula is equals to 1. And this is the diagram I drew for fxx. And for part B, now given a equals to minus 1, b equals to 3, find and draw fyy and fyy, find the y. So we can use the a equals to minus 1 and b equals to 3. So fxx should be 1 over 4 when minus 1 is smaller than x smaller than 3. And fxx should be 0 when x is smaller than minus 1 or x is larger than 3. Fxx should be 0 when when x is smaller than a, and it should be x plus 1 over 4 when x is from a to b, and the formula should be 1 when x is larger than b. Also, we can see y is smaller than y can be shown as x squared smaller than y. So we can get the range of x is from minus square root y to square root y. So fyy should be fx square root y minus fx minus square root y. So when y is smaller than 0, the formula should be 0. And when y is range from 0 to 1, the formula should be square root y over 2. When y is range from 1 to 9, the formula should be square root y plus 1 over 4. And when y is larger than 9, the formula should be 1. And if uh, should be 1 over 4 square root y when y is range from 0 to 1, and 1 when y is range from 1 to 9, the formula should be 1 over 8 square root y, and otherwise the formula should be 0. And these are two diagrams I drew for fyy and fyy. Then we need to find the ey. So ey should be integral of the formula. So it should be integral from 0 to 1 times y times 1 over 4 square root y dy plus integral from 1 to 9 times y times 1 over 8 square root y dy. So the result should be 7 over 3.